Hey budget gardeners, Vita Loca here. Join me today as I show you how to collect the seeds from a Mealycup Sage. So let's go. Isn't this purple blossom so pretty? Mealycup Sage is also known as blue bedder sage. It is a type of salvia, and here in New Hampshire, zone 5B, it is an annual, although this plant is a perennial in other areas. So the Mealycup Sage did drop its seeds last year, and I ended up with 3 plants in my yard. I love this plant, and I do plan on collecting the seeds so I can start more of these plants under grow lights this winter. So let's go ahead and I'll show you what the seed pods look like. Here are some examples of what the blossoms look like. Right here is what a bud looks like. And then right here is an example of a seed pod. It's basically all the blossoms have gone by, seed pods have been formed, and you can notice that it's a brown color. I'm going to go ahead and take this off, and then I'll show you what the seed pods and what the seeds look like. So all the seed pods are along here, and inside the seed pods are the seeds. So I'm just going to do this with my fingers. And when I do that, just moving the seed pods around, I basically release the seeds. Right here you can see the seeds. They are tiny. They are pretty small compared to the dime. What I will do is release the rest of the seeds from these seed pods, and then I'll do a close-up of what the seeds look like. We got quite a few seeds here. Just imagine each seed will produce one plant. And the key here is that the seed pods were dry and these seeds are dry. So then it's okay to store them. What I like to do is I like to use a small Ziploc bag, and I like to label it with what the name of the seed is. So it's called Mealycup Sage. It's a type of salvia. The color is purple. I collected these seeds during 2023. And again, I'm just keeping a dime here so that you can see the size of this bag in reference to the dime, as well as the size of the seeds and how tiny the seeds are. Although this is one way to collect these seeds, you can also collect them a different way, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Since the seeds are pretty small, another way that you can collect the seeds is using this method. Here I have a colander, and at the base of the colander, I have a bowl for collecting the seeds. And what I can do is just crush up all the seed pods like this. First, I'm just removing them from the stalk. And now I can go ahead and really crush them up. And that way, it just separates some of the chaff from the seeds. I can shake this. Next, what I'm going to do is pour the seeds onto a piece of paper so you can see what that looks like. So here are all the seeds, and you can see they're pretty tiny, but they are ready to be stored after a few days once they've dried. And I'm okay with the fact that there's a little bit of chaff material here along with the seeds. The reason that I folded this paper in half is so that I can then use this piece of paper to funnel the seeds off the paper and into the bag. I hope you found this video helpful. And remember, I'm making a bunch of videos on how to collect seeds from various different annuals and perennials. If you haven't already, please be sure to check those out. I am very excited about having so many of these seeds. Last year, I did not grow these under my grow lights, and I was so sad. I was very happy to see that this plant reseeded itself in a few places in my yard. So that allowed me the chance to enjoy the plant, but also collect the seeds from the plant. I will definitely be starting Mealycup Sage under my grow lights this winter, so you don't want to miss that. Until the next video, make it a great day with gardening.